Hi, I'm Aaron Dowd with Archer Services, and today I'm delivering some not so great news. You might see or be racking your head against the wall and trying to figure out why your shrubs look like this behind me, or even possibly worse. We've seen a lot of shrubs where they just have no leaves on them at all, and it's because we have had a major infestation of mites here in the Houston area. And so mites are essentially little vampires. They get on the leaves, they get in the buds of the trees, and they suck all the nutrients out of it until they completely kill the tree. The good news is it can be treated, and if it's treated early enough, your plant will almost always completely recover very quickly, because it's going into survival mode, meaning that if you're seeing it put on a lot of berries and things like that, that means that the tree is under a lot of stress because it's very early for it to put on this amount of berries for this year. So the bad news is they're very difficult to treat. They're microscopic in size. You cannot see them with your bare eyes. So you're looking at them, you're looking all over the shrub and you can't figure out what's going on. There could be something that's so small you can't see it, and that's a mite. And they breed over about a 2-week cycle. So they go from eggs all the way to full adult in 2 weeks or less. So this actually will take multiple treatments, usually about 3. And on top of that, we recommend switching every single time that you treat it. You need to treat it with a different type of insecticide or insecticidal soap. But you have to coat every inch of every leaf. So your guy needs to get in there and get his hand and really be working and poking and spraying and trying to coat every leaf, top and bottom. They're so small that if you don't coat every leaf, they will just come back very quickly. So their life cycle is 2 weeks or less. They can reproduce so fast and they spread so fast that most nurseries, when they get these infestations, they actually just take all the plants that are infested and just throw them away. The insecticide is too expensive, and they spread so fast that most likely they're going to cause more damage to future plants if they don't kill them quickly. You don't have that option. So call us, call your local fertilizer guy, and get out and spray these guys as quickly as possible. You can salvage your landscape. Give us a call. Thank you. Bye.